So this saw I'm getting ready to show you here is a Lombard Super Lightning. It's a 68cc saw. Now I'm having some trouble with it, and you're about to see the trouble. Even though it's a larger saw, it's having issues cutting, and the reason is because of how severely crooked it's cutting. We'll get into showing you the repairs later, but this is a good example of a saw that's cutting crooked. And then later on, we're going to show you that this saw is having a clutch issue as well. You might notice a lot of smoke coming from this saw. That is because I recently had it disassembled, and whenever I reassembled, I just used good old-fashioned motor oil to make sure all the internal parts are well lubricated. It takes a little while to burn that motor oil off, but it will eventually clear up. This saw actually has an auto oiler that is adjustable. So that's what you see me doing there, is adjusting the auto oil flow. It was a little too low. It wasn't working prior to my repairs. That's why I'm having to make these adjustments. This thing is cutting so crooked that it doesn't want to cut. Look close to how much it's starting to lean already. It gets worse. I have the idle on this saw turned down to the point where it almost wants to shut off, and that chain still refuses to stop moving. The spring in the clutch, it's not tight enough, and it's allowing the clutch to engage and keep that chain moving. So I'm going to have to try to figure out a way to make the spring a little stiffer, or replace the spring or something to get that chain to stop moving. Now that is a severely crooked cut. It's going so crooked that it basically only half the chain is really doing any work. And it causes the bar to want to kink up through the cut as you kind of make that curve. That's why I was having so much trouble with it. It's not a difficult fix. I'll have to show you here one of these days. But all you need is the right tools. Now, this is going to be the end, so y'all have a good day. Later.